Hello dear students, in the last classes we have learned about purchase book and sales book. So in purchase book we record only credit purchases, and in sales book we record only credit sales, and we don't record any cash transactions in purchase book and sales book. So today we will be learning about purchase return book and sales return book. Now sometimes it happens that customer they return goods, and sometimes the business also returns some goods to the outside parties. So that transactions need to be recorded. So purchase return transactions are recorded in purchase return book, and sales return transactions are recorded in sales return book. Now we will be recording all those purchase returns which are made on credit. So all the credit purchase returns will be recorded in purchase return book, and all the credit returns to sales will be recorded in the sales return book. So let's see one question of purchase return book. So you can see in your book illustration 5. So the question is here, you can see the question. So the question is, enter the following transactions in purchase return book of Sri Gobind. So the format of purchase return book will be purchase return book of Sri Gobind. So purchase return book is also called return outward book. Clear students? So purchase return book is also called return outward book. So purchase return book of Sri Gobind. So format will be date, particular, debit note. So need not write anything in this debit note. Just for format you have to make, but you have to make the format for debit note. Then LF, details, amount. So this will be the format of purchase return book. So the question is 2020 April 15, return goods to Ram Krishan and Sons for 2000, trade discount 10%. So to Ram Krishan we have returned goods. So we'll write the date 2020 April 1. So sorry, April 15. April 15. So what is the transaction? Ram Krishan and Sons will write here 2000 goods were returned. So 2000 goods were returned less trade discount. So 10% of 2000 is 200. So after deducting we will get 1800. So next transaction is April 20, return goods to Gopal Sons for 5000 as the goods were not as sample. So goods were not as per sample, so those goods were returned to Gopal Sons. So Gopal Sons will write here, and how much? What is the amount of goods that is returned? 5000. So directly we will write 5000 to the amount side because we don't have any trade discount here. So what we will do, simply we will add this 1800 plus 5000, we will get 6800. So just towards the left we will write purchase return account debit. So this amount will be transferred to the purchase return account. Clear? So this way purchase return book is maintained. So now we'll see one question of sales return book. So let's see one question of sales return. So you can see your illustration 7 given in page number 11.15, or you can see the question. So the question is, prepare sales book in the books of Lal and Co. Okay, Delhi from the following transaction. So the first transaction is April 6, 2020, goods returned by Ganga Prasad and Co. Delhi. So what Ganga Prasad has done? Ganga Prasad has returned 2 table fans of 1000 each. So we'll write 2 table fans at the rate of 1000 each. We'll multiply 2000 on the detail column. Then less trade discount of 15%. So we'll deduct 15% trade discount of 2000, that is 15% of 2000 is 300. So we'll deduct it and we'll put in the outer column, that is in the amount column. So when we deduct it, we'll get 1700. So the next transaction is Prabhat Electricals Agra returned defective room cooler of 4250. So Prabhat Electricals has returned one room cooler of 4250. So April 12, Prabhat Electricals, one room cooler. So what is the amount? 4250. So no trade discount here. So directly 4250 on the outer column. Simply we'll add it. So we'll get how much? 5950. So just towards it left we'll write sales return account debit. So it will be transferred to the sales return account on the debit side, 5950. So this way today you have learned purchase return book and sales return book. So in the coming classes we will be doing general proper. So that's all for today. Thank you.